In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email filters to keep your inbox organized and clutter-free. So, whether you're receiving countless emails from work or newsletters that sometimes seem to flood your inbox, setting up email filters is an effective way to manage and streamline your emails efficiently. Let's dive right into the steps. Imagine you're navigating through your email application and you've decided it's time to bring some order to the chaos. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the Mail section, which is often found in the main navigation menu or sidebar of your email interface. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled Filters. Go ahead and click on that to get started. Now that you're in the Filters area, it's time to set up a new filter. Look for the New Filter button and click on it. This will open up a new window or panel where you'll enter the details for the filter you're about to create. A filter is essentially a set of rules that will automatically manage certain emails to meet specific criteria you've defined. The first piece of information you'll need to provide is the filter name. Think about the purpose of the filter you're creating. For example, if you're looking to organize all your online billing or invoice emails, you might want to name this filter Invoices. Naming your filter makes it easily identifiable and helps ensure you can manage or edit filters in the future without confusion. Next, move on to the Apply Filter On section. This is where you decide if the filter should be applied to incoming mail or outgoing mail. For incoming emails that come from a specific sender, you'll obviously want to select Incoming. However, if this filter is meant to organize emails you send out, then outgoing would be the right choice. Once you've set the filter to the appropriate context, it's time to set conditions. Conditions are the rules that dictate when the filter should be applied. For instance, if you want this filter to catch all emails from your billing department, you could specify a condition such as if from contains billing@example.com. This tells your email filter to look out for any emails coming from that specific address. Now comes the fun part. Deciding what actions should be taken when the conditions are met. Would you like these emails to move to a specific folder, like an Invoices folder? Or perhaps you want them marked as read, forwarded to another email address, or another action that suits your organizational needs. Select the actions that best suit your workflow and keep your inbox orderly. Finally, once everything looks good and you've reviewed your choices, click Save. This final step activates the filter, putting into practice all the rules and actions you've meticulously set up. Enjoy a more organized inbox as your email filters begin their work immediately, sorting through incoming messages without any further input needed from you. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!